Hey there, travel enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the luxurious world of Sandals Royal Barbados, a stunning, all-suite, adults-only resort that's redefining Caribbean elegance. So, grab your virtual passport, and let's embark on this sun-soaked journey together. Let's start with the accommodations, shall we? Sandals Royal Barbados takes the concept of room with a view to a whole new level. Here, you won't find any standard rooms. It's all about the suites, baby. And boy, do they know how to do suites right. Picture this. You're lounging in your private plunge pool, sipping on a piña colada, with the Caribbean Sea stretching out before you. Sounds like paradise, right? Well, that's just another Tuesday at Sandals Royal Barbados. The resort offers a variety of suite categories, but let's be real, they're all winners. From the club-level suites with their spacious open-concept layouts to the butler-level suites that'll make you feel like royalty. There's something for every taste and budget. Many suites feature private pools or swim-up access, because why should you have to share a pool with other guests when you can have your own aquatic playground? The decor is a perfect blend of contemporary chic and Caribbean cool, with neutral tones accented by vibrant island colors. And let's not forget about those rondoval cottages, circular suites with thatched roofs that'll make you feel like you're in your own little tropical paradise. Now, let's talk about the most important part of any vacation, the food. Sandals Royal Barbados doesn't mess around when it comes to dining. With over 20 restaurants and 14 bars spread across this resort and its sister property next door, you could eat at a different place every meal and still not hit them all during your stay. It's like a culinary world tour without ever leaving the resort. Fancy some Asian fusion? Head to cheek craving some good old American comfort food? The American Tavern has got you covered. And for those nights when you want to feel extra fancy, there are plenty of gourmet options that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. But here's the kicker, it's all included. That's right, folks. You can eat and drink to your heart's content without worrying about the bill. It's like your mom's all-you-can-eat policy, but with way better food and cocktails. Speaking of cocktails, let's not forget about the bars. The rooftop pool bar is a must-visit spot. Sipping on a perfectly mixed mojito while watching the sunset over the Caribbean? That's what vacation dreams are made of. And for all you beer lovers out there, there's even a craft beer bar next to the bowling alley. Yes, you heard that right. A bowling alley in a Caribbean resort. But more on that later. Now let's dive into the pools and beaches, shall we? Sandals Royal Barbados doesn't do anything by halves, and their pool game is strong. The main infinity pool is so gorgeous it'll make you want to update your Instagram profile pic immediately. But that's just the beginning. There's also a rooftop pool that offers panoramic ocean views, perfect for those wish-you-were-here moments to make your friends back home jealous. But wait, there's more. Many suites come with their own private plunge pools. Imagine waking up, stepping out of your room, and straight into your own little oasis. It's like having your cake and eating it too, but instead of cake, it's a pool. And instead of eating it, you're swimming in it. You get the idea. Now let's talk about the beach. Maxwell Beach is right at your doorstep, with its powdery white sand and turquoise waters. It's the kind of beach that makes you want to write poetry, even if you've never written a poem in your life. The resort offers various water sports activities, so whether you're into snorkeling, diving, or just floating around like a happy starfish, they've got you covered. And the best part? You don't even have to leave your lounger to get food or drinks. They'll bring it right to you. It's like having a personal beach butler. Actually, if you're staying in a butler suite, you do have a personal butler. Fancy, right? Alright, let's move on to activities, because Sandals Royal Barbados is not just about lounging around, although that's perfectly acceptable too. For the fitness enthusiasts, there's a state-of-the-art fitness center where you can work off all those all-inclusive calories. But let's be honest, you're on vacation, so maybe just stick to lifting cocktails. If you're looking for something a bit more unique, remember that bowling alley I mentioned earlier? Yep, it's a real thing. A 4-lane bowling alley in the Caribbean. It's like the resort designers said, what's the last thing anyone would expect in a tropical paradise? And then built it. And you know what? It works. There's something oddly satisfying about bowling a strike while wearing flip-flops and a Hawaiian shirt. For those seeking relaxation, and let's face it, that's most of us, the Red Lane Spa is your ticket to bliss. They offer a range of treatments that'll make you feel like a new person. How about a couple's massage on the beach? Or a tropical body wrap that'll leave your skin glowing brighter than the Caribbean sun? The spa facilities include sauna and steam rooms, perfect for detoxing after a night of indulging in all those all-inclusive cocktails. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about the kids? Well, here's the thing. Sandals Royal Barbados is an adults-only resort. That's right, no kids allowed. It's like an oasis of adult tranquility in a world of screaming toddlers and moody teenagers. So, if you're looking for a romantic getaway or just a break from the chaos of family life, this is your spot. But don't worry, there's plenty to keep you entertained. The resort offers various activities and entertainment options throughout the week. Live performances, themed nights, cocktail parties, you name it, they've got it. It's like being at a never-ending Caribbean festival, but with better accommodations and no porta potties. Let's talk about the nearby attractions because, as amazing as the resort is, you might want to explore the island a bit. St. Lawrence Gap, a hotspot for nightlife and dining, is within walking distance. If you're into snorkeling or diving, Carlisle Bay Marine Park is just a short drive away. History buffs might want to check out Bridgetown, the capital city, which is about 15 kilometers from the resort. And for a truly unique experience, Harrison's Cave, a crystallized limestone cave, is about 18 kilometers away. The hotel can arrange tours and transportation, so you don't have to worry about the logistics. It's like having a personal travel agent at your disposal. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The overall review. Sandals Royal Barbados consistently receives high ratings from guests, with cleanliness, service, and location being the top praised aspects. The staff are often described as attentive and friendly, going above and beyond to make your stay memorable. The beachfront location is perfect for those seeking a true Caribbean experience. However, no place is perfect. Some guests have mentioned that the prices are on the higher side compared to other local properties. But hey, quality comes at a price, right? There have also been occasional reports of noise from nearby nightlife, depending on the room location. But let's be real, if you're looking for complete silence, maybe a Caribbean vacation isn't for you. So, what makes Sandals Royal Barbados stand out from the crowd? Well, for starters, it's an all-suite, adults-only resort. That alone puts it in a league of its own. The private pools in many suites are a huge draw for couples seeking privacy and luxury. And let's not forget about that bowling alley. It's not every day you can say you went bowling in the Caribbean. The resort also offers unique dining experiences like the rooftop restaurant and bar, providing panoramic views of the ocean. And the seamless integration with the neighboring Sandals Barbados resort means you essentially get two resorts for the price of one, with access to all their restaurants and facilities as well. For those planning events or conferences, Sandals Royal Barbados has got you covered. While it's primarily a couples resort, they do offer facilities for small to medium-sized events. Imagine having a business meeting with the Caribbean Sea as your backdrop. It might just be the most productive and enjoyable meeting you've ever had. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our Best Hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.